The best thing about a contact profile in SwiftFox is that all your information, all your tasks, all your meeting notes and interactions can be seen in the one place. And a big part of how you do this is something we like to call posts. So let's get into it. Here we are on Jessica Bridges' profile. To begin, let's click Posts. Here you can see all the interactions that are taking place between Jessica and our organisation. You can also see a side panel view of posts, but we'll stick to this big picture view. Here I can see a snapshot of everything, from the emails sent, any calls, meetings, or work underway. Let's leave a comment on Jack's post. Great, I'll also like it. We're friendly like that. Let's create a post of our own. Step 1, set permissions. The default here is that everyone can see this post. So to customize who can see your post or to keep it to yourself, adjust like so. Step 2, write your message. And make sure Jessica's name stays tagged so it's stored on her profile. You can also tag other people and organizations here, just write the @ symbol. Step 3, tags help you store like information together. So use your organization's suggested tags and select here. You want to limit how many tags you're using so that you can easily find similar posts. Step 4, I'll attach a document to this post here with this attach symbol. Now create. How good? And if I want to make any changes, I'd click this pop-up here, then modify the post. I wanted to add a new hashtag, so I'll do that now. Great. Let's go a step further and create a task from a post. So I'll click Tasks and I'll assign my colleague Mel to review this document so I can send it to Jessica. Then I'll create a task myself, send document to Jessica. Great. Now everyone knows what they're doing. The other place I can see posts is on my homepage, and they work in much the same way. You can see a post come in, create a task, and make a comment. Hope you enjoy the wonderful world of SwiftFox posting, and to watch any additional tutorials, click the link below.